Good day, everyone. Good day, friends and viewers. Today, I want to show you guys how we can use our MT5 on Android phone. How it works, everything on MT5, all the stages. I'm going to show you guys how the interface of MT5 work on Android phone. So, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you guys. So right here on the screen, I want to show you a quick guide on how we can use our MetaTrader5 application on Android. This tutorial is for Android phone only. So I'm going to here on the screen. Let's open up our MetaTrader5 and go in details on how it works. This is the MetaTrader5, so click on it. Okay. Then the first page, the button down, it's the main function is to show you the quote, that is the index you are trading. Me particularly, I trade Puma Crash index. So at the top we have the add button, which is the plus. Then we have the edit button. So what are they used for? The add button is for you to add index that you are trading. So if you want to add volatility index, you just go straight and pick. I will be clicking on each. Okay, click on it. Okay, it's okay. So I want to add step index, so I'll click on step index. I want to add range, I'll click on range. I want to add jump index, I'll click on any jump index I want to trade. So let's go back. Let's click on this back button at the top. Then let's go back real quick. So you will see all the index are in my quote window now. You can see all of them on the window. So now we want to remove those index because we don't need it. So what we have to go right straight to the edit button. We click on it, then we click on the delete. This is the delete button. So we click on the delete button, then we mark the index we want to remove. So we cannot remove volatility 25 index because we open the chart. So we need to close the chart before we can delete it. So let's delete others. Let's go back. Then I want to be on 1000 chart. Then I go back. I click on edit. So I click on delete so I can remove it now successfully. So that is how it works. So for this we have the low, the high, the buy and the sell price, which is the low and the high. Then we have our index that we are trading. So it's different from currency pairs. So totally. So now this second down button is to show you your chart. So if you click on it, you see your chart, everything on chart. So then the third button is to show your running trade, your account balance. So let's click on it. So you can see I have a running trade and it's showing my demo account balance, the demo account for the sake of the video. So the fourth button is to show the history of your account. So you click on it, it shows history, everything you have done, like your move, your trades, your loss and your profit in total, so in a certain period of time. So we have the other button, which is for news. Like if you want to be receiving trading news from MT5, you can register and you will be getting trading news here. So the last button, if you register with the last button, you can chat with other traders. So the last button, you can use it to communicate with fellow traders. So you can create an account and communicate with traders on the platform. So let's go back to the chart menu because that is where we're gonna go in details. So right here on the screen we have our plus sign. So this we call it crosshair. So the main aim of crosshair is to calculate pips, calculate candles move. Sometimes we can use it to calculate our risk to reward. Understand? So for example, if you tap on it, it's already on the screen. So if you want to use it, you put, I want to use my left thumb. I will tap on it, then I will bring my other thumb to drag, so you can see it. So if I want to calculate, let me go back, like, okay, click on it again, then I lift it up. It's going to tell me the price and the candles. Understand? So the first one is the candle move, which is 10, and the price. So that is it. Then we have the indicator window, which is the F. So if you want to put your strategy, or you want to apply any indicator to your chart, this is the place you can apply your indicator, which is the F. Then we have the dollar sign. So this is if you want to swap between your index, like you want to move from bull 1000 to bull 500, or you want to move from crash 500 to crash, or I want to move from crash 500 to crash 1000. That is the use of the dollar sign. You can see it, I'm on bull 1000, so right here I want to go to crash 1000. So it's gonna load up and we'll move to crash 1000, but I want to be on bull 1000 now. So then we have this other button at the top, other icon. So when you click on it, it's to divide your window if you want to be looking your chart at two different windows. So it depends on you. So the last is to place your trade. So when you click on it, it will open up a place you can place a buy. You can place a buy or a sell. So depend on if you are receiving signal, depend on the direction you anticipated, the direction you want to take. So it depends on you. So we have our stop loss, we have our stop loss, we have our take profit. So very quick, then on the screen, if you want to get your time frame, you simply just tap the screen one time. So you will see I'm on 1 hour time frame. So I want to move to 30 minutes, I want to move up to 15 minutes, I want to move to 5 minutes, I want to move to 1 minute. So on a 1 minute time frame on boom and crash, each candle, each ticks, we call them ticks. These are ticks. Okay, sorry. These are ticks. So in every 1 minute candle, one ticks form. So that's how it works. So these are spike, they are sudden movement. So they come suddenly, like sudden movement, not like the ticks that move step. Understand? So that is it. So let's tap on the screen again, tap on it. So when you tap on it, we have our time frames, which is our M1, M5, M15. They are all our time frame to MN, which is monthly time frame. So what this mean? Like, let me zoom in. In every 1 minute, one candle each forms every 1 minute. So as it's moving up, it's moving 1 minute each on 1 minute time frame. So when you go to the M5, 5 candles on M1, that's 5 candles on 1 minute time frame, makes 1 candle on M5, which is 5 minutes. That's to say 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes makes 1 candle. This one that you are seeing here, 1 candle on M5. You understand? So same implies to M15, like 3 candles on M5 form 15 minutes, 1 candles on 15-minute time frame. The same to M30, 2 candles on M15 makes 1 candle on M30. So this blue candle that you are seeing here, like let's say this, it's 2 candles from M15. So that is how it works. You understand? That is how it works. So every minute 1 candle will form, then here every 5 minutes 1 candle will form and complete. So that is how time frame works. Okay, let me type on the screen again. So let's talk about the object icon or toolbox. I would call it toolbox or object because it used to take object out. So let's click on it. We have for example, we want to mark a zone. So let me go to the higher time frame, like 1 hour, and I want to mark a zone. So I will go real quick to the tool or the object box, the object icon. So I will click on it. I'll click on it. I'll click on I will select rectangle, so I can edit the rectangle. I click on it, edit the rectangle. So I can click on fit, change the color to blue, then I click done. You understand? So most times it's used to mark support zone, support and resistance on the chart. So real quick, let me close this trade for now. So it's used to mark zones on the chart, and major and minor zones on the chart. So there's the main use. So we have other tools there. We have you can use the rectangle, you can use the horizontal, the vertical line, you can use the trend line and everything. So let's go to the next one. We tap again on the screen. So if you want to edit your chart color, your color background and everything, so we're going to check for the settings. So that's the setting box. So we want to go straight to it. So we click on it. So right here on the first candlesticks, so on the light type, I will click on it. So I have mine on candlesticks. So it depends on what most traders, let's say 80% of traders make use of the candlesticks. So we select the candlesticks. So we have the down, we have our color customization, and we click on it. This is my color customization. You can see, so you can change your color. You can use any settings to feel like it's okay, it's bright, it's clean to you. So depend on what you like. So if you want to edit your color, so you go right straight to the color customization. So we have volume. If you want to chart to be showing volumes, we have so trade levels. So if you place a trade and you want the level to be shown, like mark out on chart, like the buy and the sell levels, you understand? So show period separator is to show you day as like 12 to 12, like every day is going to show you this is what happens, and it will mark a line on the chart. So I have it here on my 1 hour time frame. So this is period 1 and this is another period. So 12 o'clock is another day, understand? So it's going to continue the move outside the box, understand? So that's how it works. Then let's go. Okay, I think we are done with that. So let's go quick to the tool that we can use to place a trade, to buy or to sell a trade. So let's click on it. Then we have at default is always at market execution. Then first, what it means is this: when you place a trade and you want it to be run immediately, you make use of market execution. As you are placing it, it's running. For example, let me place this trade. Okay, I want to place a sell on, I want to place a buy on boom and will crash 500. So I click on buy. So I wait. That is it. I've already placed a trade with a specific lot size of 1.00. So at the down, it's showing, firstly, it's showing me my entry price. This is my entry price here, and this is the current price the trade is. This is the current price. So the 7319.22255 to 73195888. The first one is the entry price, and the second one is the current price the trade is now. So if we buy, the trade is going up, we are making profit. So if it's going down, we are making loss. So let's go to the tool again. Let's click on it. So we have our market execution, we have our lot size, we have stop loss. Like when your trade is going negative and you want to cut your loss, like automatically, for example, we get something at 10 naira and it's going to 3 naira, and we want to close that loss automatically at 3 naira. So when the trade gets to 3 naira, our stop loss will hit and the trade will close automatically. So we have our TP. We have our TP, which simply means take profits. For example, we bought something at 10 naira and it's already at 15 naira. So we can set our take profit at 15 naira, so that when it gets to 15 naira, even though we are not on the chart, the trade will close in profit. So let's go to the next one. So we have our sell, we have our buy. So don't confuse them, and it's mainly used to place your trade, to execute your trade when you have a signal or when you analyze a trade. So on the top, market execution. So I want to click this little icon because we have other tools that we will discuss about. Let me click on it. So we have the buy limit order. So the buy limit order, it's set. Okay, I want to set a buy limit order. So this trade is coming down. It's coming down to this place. So I want to set, like, I want like, if this trade come to this place and it hits this price, I'm expecting this trade to go up. So I can set a buy limit order here. So when this trade gets here and I believe that it's going to go up, so I will set a buy limit order. But if the trade continues to go down, that means my trade will be in profit. So let's do it real quick. So let's say 7307940. So real quick. Seven three 7307940. 940. So click on place. So you can see it's buy limit order. So when the trade gets to this place, like we can set this buy limit order on our support. Like trade is coming down, we know that yes, it's going to respect support and go up. You understand? So you can set your buy limit order, and you know that when it gets there, it's going to hit your order. So you can see it's already placed, but the trade is not running. You can see this is already running because it's market execution, and this is not running because it's not market execution. You understand? It's placed and it's waiting for the trade to come to this price. The price. Sorry, that's not the price. This is the price. So the price to get to that extent and the trade will start running. So the same to our sell limit order. So sell limit order is the opposite of buy limit order. Sell limit order is mainly set on a resistance. So for example, let's do a quick example. Let me go back and I'll go to my line 2. So I'll click on this price. So I want to set the sell limit order at 7347.848. So I'll go straight, then I'll go to my sell limit order. I'll put the price 7347.848. Then I'll click on place. So it's already placed. And what do I mean by the sell? What do I mean by the sell limit order? When this trade goes up and hits this price, I want this trade to come down. When it gets to this place, I want it to come down. You understand? Like I'm saying that when this trade gets to this zone, I want this trade to come down. You understand? So if you set a sell limit order and the trade is still going up, you will lose it. But if the trade reverse to your direction and come down, you will be in profit. So that is how buy limit order and sell limit order works. So let's go straight to the other one. We have our buy stop and sell stop. So that is the where I'll stop, because they are the most useful. Yeah. So for example, buy stop and sell stop are continuation of a trade. For example, a trade, let me go to a lower time frame. For example, let me close. Okay, let me delete them. You swap the side of the screen to delete them. So for example, I want to, let me close the crash market execution so that I can make a good example on the sell stop and buy stop. So for example, I want this trade is going up and I want to enter at this place. Okay, let's say this place. Let me set let me go to another time. Okay, the price is going up and I want to enter at this place. So I will set a buy stop at, okay, let me bring out line 2. Put it right here. Okay, right here. Then the price is 7323.266. So I want to set a buy stop. Real quick example. Buy stop. .266. So I'll click on place. Okay, it's like the price already closed. Okay, it's more than there, so we have to move our line. Let's take another line too. Okay, let's set it here, which is 7325.198. So we'll click on buy stop. 7325.198. Then I'll click on place. So what do I mean by that? So if the price, let me remove the line. If the price goes up to and hits this my buy stop and it's going up, I will be making profit because I don't want to enter now. Maybe I might be analyzing the trade, you understand? So I want to know where it's going to. So I will hold on and I will place my buy stop here, and if it hits my buy stop, the trade will continue to go up. You understand? So that's how buy stop works. So let's do sell stop. But the buy stop, I'm not going to close it so that you can see a live example of what I'm talking about. But for the sell stop, I believe you guys gonna understand. So let's go real quick. Okay, I need to set the price. Need to set the price. Let me delete this. Okay, if the trade goes down and continue to and hits my sell stop, understand, I will be in profit. So real quick, what is the price? 7319.822. So sorry guys, I forgot this. Everything here, these numbers, they are called price. Understand? They are like 1, 2, 3 upward, like, you understand? They are the price of the market. So let's check if you see the trade is already running. You understand? You can see a live trade is already running. So that's how buy stop works. Or let's make another example. So let's alter another buy stop. If the trade goes up to this place, we want to be on the trade with. We want to be among the trade and make profit. So let's use another buy stop real quick. Let me write the number out. 7327.1167 real quick. So I want to make another clear example of the buy stop. So we have the price, we have our line too, so we want to set it here. So if the trade goes up, like we don't want to enter the trade now, so we want like the trade to go up more before we enter. So we have these two here, and we have already set our price with our line too that we want to enter. So this, I know I told you guys everything here is called price. So this here is the price that we are marking out. So the price is 7330.262. So let's set a buy stop. So the price is 730.262. So I'll click on place real quick. So if you look at this trade, it's not running, it's just showing place. So it's waiting for the price to get to 730.262. So let's watch. Okay, as we are watching, looking at the trade, so let's take other examples. We have our sell stop, which is the opposite of buy stop. So we have a price of 73, which is this price. So we want to set a sell stop so that if the trade goes down and hit our sell stop, we will be on the trade, and if it keeps going down, we will make profit. So let me place it, sell stop, then I will write the price 7319.822. then I'll click on place. Sorry guys, so I'll click on place. Then there are other things we need to be talking about. So let's watch the trade. It's still showing place, the buy stop. So let's watch it. So we have our TP, we have TP, we have TP, we have TP, we have SL. So now I want to set a TP for the buy stop. So if it goes up, so we will hit our TP. What TP means is the stage that we want to we are saying that we are okay with our profit, so we want to go out of the market. So I will set a TP here. let's say display, so that it's gonna hit quickly and I want everybody to see it. So before we okay, the TP is the price for the TP is 7332.413 is the price for the TP. So let's wait. Okay, let's look at the trade. You see this trade is already running. The buy stop is running now. So let's watch. So now we want to set a TP now. So we go to the trade, this trade, then we will hold. You understand? We will hold the trade, like you hold, not just tap it. If you tap it once, it's going to open like this, but you come to the trade and hold, and then something will pop up like this, like modify position, close position, new order, chart. So we want to modify the position, like we want to edit it. So let's go to modify, then I'll click on TP, because I don't want to place SA, because I'm saying to myself that this trade I'm going to win it. So I want to click on the TP now, which is 7332.413. Then I'll click on modify. So already we have our TP already on the trade. So TP is set. So let's watch and see how the TP works. And so guys, we have okay, do I need to? So let's watch the trade as it's going to hit our TP on the live example. So you can see our sell stop is already showing place, because the price is not coming down to hit it. So it's the trade cannot run at the moment. So our buy stop is running. So let's look at this buy, crash 1000 buy. Going to close when it hits the TP. Let's watch. It's gone. So the price has hit the TP and it's closed in profit already. So the trade will be on your transaction history. Check on it. So that is it. Then the first trade, this trade does not have TP, so we can close it manually. So if you want to do that, you can just swap, you understand, swap to your left. So click done, then you click on close it down, click on close in profit.